to the channel. Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a quick, easy apple dessert. So what I'm going to do, I'm just getting some butter in this, and I'm going to use a puff pastry for the base. Just get a bit of butter in this, so I'll see how much I can get out of it. Next step, what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to get the skin off these. So I'm just going to peel these. If I need more apple, I'll just get some more. Next step is I'm going to try and slice these apples. So I just need to cut these in half. So I'll try to get the core out. So I'll see how I get along with this. If this doesn't work properly, I will just use a knife. So either you use this, or if you have a knife, paring knife, you can go ahead. So the ideal thing is to get the middle out. When you're doing this, you don't want any seeds in it, so try your best. See if the knife is better. So go ahead, take these out. Next thing we want to do, we want to slice these. So you can either slice it this way, or you can slice it this way. So it's personal preference. If you want to slice it this way, you can also. It will be a little bit different, but it's up to you. Next thing what I'm gonna do, just gonna add a bit of sugar in this. Cinnamon. And we're just gonna put some water over this. Go ahead and put some water. So while it's like that, I'm just gonna put this in the microwave a little. So this is what it do. Just soft it. Basically what I'm making, I'm just making like a syrup. So here I have a puff pastry already come rolled out. So if you have one of this, you can use it. So I'm just gonna cut this like so. And with your apple, just gonna go down like this. Probably I can get two out of this. So if probably I cut this in half, that probably can give me two. Some of them is a little bit bigger, so just break it. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm just going to roll this like so. So what I'm going to do here, just get your pan. We're going to put them right in like this. So when they bake, they're going to spread out. And the next way you can do it, I'm going to cut this in half. Then we're going to do like this. But this is a total different way of doing it. Okay, so we're going to use another couple piece more on this. So with this now, we're going to fold it. So for this one, we're going to fold it like this. When we fold this like this, give them a little bit of moisture. Then we're going to go like this. This is what this one look like. Doesn't look much different, but that's what this one look like. So we're going to repeat the same process. Give them a little bit of cinnamon. Some people call this simple sugar. Look at that. So I think I can get 2 more, so I will grease these 2s up. But these going straight in the oven. Just give them a little bit of top. So now our pastry is out the oven. That's what it looked like. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna drizzle a bit of you can put a bit of honey over this. And then they're good to eat. Ladies and gentlemen, if you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe, do leave positive comment. Thanks for watching.